If you're selling, don't do these things. 1. Don't sell before the house is ready. If it doesn't present well, it won't sell well. 2. Don't over-improve. People buy houses in neighborhoods. If yours is so improved that it sticks out, you're hurting your chances at selling. 3. Hire wrong. Make your agent choice for business reasons. Personal relationships matter, but experience and expertise will determine financial success in your sale. 4. Don't hide anything. Covering up or failing to mention real problems doesn't work. State disclosure laws are strict, and you can be sued after the sale for anything that should have been made clear. 5. Don't rush. You should know about your mortgage, including prepayment penalties, your market conditions and trends, and your options for your next home before jumping on the market. And 6, don't get too emotional. Your attachment to your house and your own financial needs don't really matter in the transaction. If you can't set them aside, the sale won't go as you'd like it to. Remember, it was your home, but to the buyer, it's a house.